Balance on this piece of wood.
This is what happens at my house when I'm building race engines. I go, babe, can I just run this through the dishwasher? And she'll go, no, don't bring your race car home. But what's happened here is the guy has asked his missus, can I bring my race car home? And she's gone, yeah, and he's taken the piss.
A little bit.
What's happening, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Forgotten Spaces Urban Exploration. My name's Ash, and today myself, Andy and Wayne are exploring an abandoned car graveyard slash house. We don't even know what's here yet, so it could be absolutely anything. Hope you enjoy the episode. Don't forget, if you like the video, then hit the thumbs up, and if you're interested in urban exploration, click that subscribe button as we post videos quite regularly. Peace.
But yeah,
With lorry.
yeah, that's old, isn't it?
That is old as balls.
And this digger.
Yeah.
You can get inside it. Oh, you can.
I mean, you probably could if you wanted to.
But there's no reason to do so. So we've got a dump truck there, little dump truck.
Yeah. I mean, this guy was obviously just like an old farmer type guy who collected
Machinery.
machinery. Yeah.
What is that thing? It's got wheels.
I actually don't know. Not a clue. Oh, Toyota there.
There's just stuff everywhere, isn't
That'd
there?
be great for racing.
All those tyres behind it, look.
Yeah.
Was that a Bedford as well?
That's no, that's a Vauxhall.
Horse truck. So there's the house there. But we've got loads of
Yeah, let's
bits
do
out
outside.
here. So
Look at this. This is a fucking 7-ton jack.
Yeah, yeah.
Put some pressure on it, Wayne.
Oh, mate, I've lost some weight.
Doesn't go down. What tractor is this?
It's a broken one.
Is it a Fordson?
Seats and steering wheel.
Yeah, it's hanging,
Just
isn't it?
shit everywhere. There's a Peugeot up there. Another Peugeot there. There's probably stuff that's been buried.
Not under all of this.
Yeah, and just.
So there is,
forgotten
you can
about.
see something there,
Yeah.
the back of a
That looks like an old
Jeep.
Bedford van.
Yeah. Little ride on lawnmower around there. So there's, as you can see, there's stuff everywhere. But there's another little truck there.
That'd go.
Should be right, wouldn't she?
She go.
Oh, look. I'm forward in it. Mate.
So much, isn't there? So yeah, if you're like a car truck fanatic, then you should appreciate things like this. Lots of trailers as well, aren't there? Loads of trailers.
This is just the. This is the where the cab would sit of this lorry.
And the tree has grown through it.
The tree has literally grown through the cab of this lorry.
That must have been there a long time.
That tree is literally probably about 30, 40 years
Gotta
old.
be.
Yeah, look, you can see how the...
Yeah, it's just growing through the chassis.
That's crazy. Get some pictures of that. The key's still in the ignition as well. I wonder if it starts.
Yeah, give it a go, mate.
Look at this Peugeot pickup.
That's old.
That's old. There's probably fanatics that are...
There's an old... Is that a Volkswagen in
Yeah.
there? He's had all the seats.
Yeah.
There's people there.
What?
Hello.
I just turned up. Forgotten Spaces thing.
How's it going? All right.
Yeah, you? Are we on camera?
Yeah, you're always on camera.
Oh, is there someone who comes down here?
Yeah, silver BMW, and then you've got the travelling
Yeah. Yeah, travelling side.
Yeah.
That side.
site. Right.
And I know that there's a silver BMW that goes in there.
For ages,
No,
have
we
you?
haven't, no.
I was going to say,
We always bump into people while we're on the explores. It's nice to see that people are fans of our page or channel. So yeah, we've got an old Caterpillar here. Yeah, check that out. Then we've got another Peugeot. Man was obviously a Peugeot fan. This place just so much here. Yeah. Proper old Peugeot there. Like an old school fucking radio. Look at that. That's a thing of the past, that is. An Amstrad. That was random.
Yeah.
Did I watch our channel?
Yeah. Look at this. Is that an old Merc? What's that under there? That looks like Ford.
It's fucked.
Yeah, that's had a smash up. Ford. Fuck. Another ride-on lawnmower.
Fucking back.
This guy had all the kit, didn't they? Look at these like pallet trucks and jacks. It's
Yeah,
all
man.
heavy duty gear. Look at that for a wheel cylinder.
Massive.
You don't get that
I'd
one.
imagine this dude was a mechanic,
Yeah, I imagine he was.
and this was his workshop. Right, so that's the outside. We're gonna head inside now and check out the house.
Mate, there's some cool carport and stuff here.
Yeah. Got fucking old hubcaps and shit like that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
They're probably worth 50 quid each.
Yeah.
God knows what's under here.
Yeah, that's that old Peugeot under there.
So right, this is the house. Outside toilet, one day maybe.
Yeah, probably.
Smells like toilet.
Yeah.
That would have been a big window one time.
Yeah.
Size of that lawnmower there.
That's what she said.
There's a lot of shit in here.
A lot of shit. Look, that's upstairs.
We can get up there.
Yeah, I'll get up there. Danger Wayne.
This bit looks like an extension
Yeah.
because that's the original back door here.
That fridge is still running.
It is, bro. Electric on it. She's on.
So that means there's electricity in the house.
Turn some lights on.
Oh, sure.
Would you call me?
Old school washing machine.
Did you just call me a half shot? Like the floor's
Ratchet strap there.
Oh, here we go. Ash on the broken floor. Loves it. Who puts a lawnmower in their hallway?
Yeah, the fridge is still on.
What a guy. How are you feeling, Ash?
This is really like quirky, this, isn't it?
I really enjoy it.
Oh, look at that floor, Ash. You
No, you know what that Ash is
having fun there, mate?
No, not really.
You enjoying that?
Don't fall.
What's this bit? The kit.
Ash is a bit broken there, mate.
Off you go then, Mush.
Alright, mate. Oh, Jesus.
Why have they got so many lawnmowers in,
I don't know.
in the
He might
house?
have been a lawnmower technician or something, I don't know.
Whoa, this dude was a bit of a hoarder, wasn't he?
He completed hoarding.
He was the biggest hoarder.
This is as far in as I'm going.
Let me get in. There's pictures of him at the back.
Oh, sweet. Oh.
Let me get him. Mate, it's literally not even a space to put your feet, is there? The floor's all gone. I'm standing on, like, balancing on this piece of wood
This
here.
is what happens at my house when I'm building race engines. I go, babe, can I just run this through the dishwasher? And she'll go, no, don't bring your race car home. But what's happened here is the guy has asked his missus, can I bring my race car home? And she's gone, yeah, and he's taken the piss.
A little bit.
He is taking the absolute piss.
How are you going to race?
His wife left him blatantly.
Yeah. There's like, there's now more of race car stuff.
There's an
than my
old
stuff.
school typewriter over here. That's cool as fuck.
Yeah, that is cool. Yeah.
You know what else is good?
What?
Before you get onto the first step of the stairs, a fucking great hole in the
That's
floor.
good. I enjoy a hole in the floor.
You are the biggest fan of floor holes I've ever seen.
I also enjoy treading on stuff that I don't know what's underneath it.
Whoa!
Look at that stairs!
Shall I go first?
No, I'm going to go first.
Fuck's sake. I'm going in here. So, I think.
Oh look, there's an old It's like a mobility scooter.
Yeah.
That doesn't look that old either.
No, it doesn't. That probably looks like she'll go.
Jesus.
I'll tell you what though, I know I've said it before. I reckon if you got Jimmy the Plaster in 3 days.
Jog on. Got all of his work, all his overalls there, look.
Yeah.
Watch them stairs, mate.
Why, what are they going to do?
Yeah.
Why, what are they going to do?
Wobble.
Well, stop kicking them then. For fuck's sake. Oh, God. Shut up.
Go on, mate.
Shut up.
It's alright.
Everyone just fucking shut up.
Every time.
Do you reckon it can take 2 of us?
Fuck off.
Mate, I'd have been fully right behind you going, hello.
Oh, bathroom. Bathroom looks good.
Oh, that's spiffing bathroom.
Nice, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Look above.
Look, I want to say that the guy lived here while it was in this mess.
Yeah, fully. He's probably still here somewhere.
He might be.
Oh, pornos.
Underneath the duvet.
Why is there porn everywhere we go?
Yeah, let's face it, this guy weren't getting it from his missus, was he?
So yeah, more hoarded stuff. Radox, look at that.
Yeah.
Fucking hell, they don't make Radox anymore.
No. He did have his going to town clothes in here.
Yeah. He just didn't go to town very often.
No.
Couldn't find his way out of his fucking garden. That old school TV there, was that Grundig?
Look, monogram.
What?
Over there, that box.
Oh. What's that?
Don't know.
What's a monogram?
Don't know.
Sounds old. Look,
Corvette.
Corvette aftershave lotion.
I bet that smells like an absolute peach.
Bumhole. That's where you keep your microwave, at the top of the stairs.
Yeah.
Midnight snack.
That's where I do my cooking. Look at that saddle up there.
Oh.
It's just
Which is a saddle.
a saddle. It's just piled high.
Oh,
as
that's sad.
shit.
It is. Look at this picture. It's in the Navy, dude.
In the Navy.
Look.
Don't open shit like that.
Yeah.
In the
I wonder
Navy.
if that's the guy.
Well, I imagine it would be. He wouldn't just have a random picture, would he?
Don't know. He might
Some
have
Navy
collected.
guy.
I think the guy did collect random stuff. So
You think so?
There's an argument.
What makes you think that?
There is a little bit of an argument that he did do that, yeah.
It always
Yeah,
gets
it
to
is,
the point where we go, who's going to go and do that? And they go, oh, Wayne, you go and do it. I'm like, alright. Why are you chalk? It's just chalk, shut up. We don't graffiti. It's not graffiti, it's chalk.
Playboy.
fucking spray paint, is it?
What? I'll spray
Look,
your
really
paint in a
old school Scrabble.
minute. Watch out, and I heard a crack when we came up. I heard down the bottom.
Probably your arse
Yeah.
crack.
My arse crack, that was yours.
This is sterling silver. Wow. Silverware.
Yeah.
Proper silverware.
It's got a hallmark.
Hide
Yeah.
it. Hide it. Because you know someone will come and fucking nick it.
Can't really hide it.
Just throw it in
You
the
can,
corner.
look.
There you go, it's hidden. Over in the corner, out the way now.
I hit it. Right, well. That's about it, really.
That is about it. Back down Les broken stairs.
The one goes really slowly down the broken stairs. I enjoy broken
go.
stairs.
I'm going back out.
Do you want to fall over in our video? Go on.
Go on, it'll be funny.
Go on.
Go. Go.
We'll slow down about 4 times as well.
I'll slide down the banister.
It's because I'm really light, so it don't matter. Go on then, Ash.
Wayne's going to slide down the banister.
Oh, yeah. Do it.
No, that thing will go straight up my rectum and I'll be cross-eyed for a month.
It'd be great.
No, it won't.
I think that's what's happened before.
Yes, I know. I'm not sliding down there.
I ain't sliding down.
Don't break the floor.
Don't be stupid now, will you?
No, I'm just standing here.
Don't do stupid
I'm
things.
standing here.
I won't come down.
Alright.
I'll stay up here forever.
Forever.
Yeah.
You love stairs, didn't you?
I have to.
I'm going to make a compilation of you on stairs.
Following me down the fucking stairs. Look, it's wobbling. Stop it.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just walking down the stairs, mate. Just, I'm holding you. It's fine.
Wayne. Fucking pathetic, a lot of you. Oh my god.
Oh, you're such a cock. Ah! There's a workbench there.
There's a workbench. You're right.
Bench to work on. Ah. Love the way that you go out, man. That's just like, ah.
It does, yeah. Yeah, but it smells of mould.
It's really like
Where's
strange.
this building then?
It's like an.
Above you, mate.
How'd you get there?
Probably you can't.
Yeah, what was the point of having it upstairs when you can't go up there?
Well, he was probably trying to do a renovation kind
He's
of
probably
thing,
building it and just.
but I went, oh, I ran out of money.
No, there is a doorway.
I ran out of money because I bought another Bedford truck.
Whoa!
Oh, he did actually have a new TV.
Yeah.
Box.
Maybe he just collects boxes.
There's no doorway up there.
I'm sure that's a doorway.
It's not a door.
No, it's not, is it? That's just a hanging thing.
Thing of hang.
Oh, look.
What?
There's a door there.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's to the kitchen.
Yeah,
And there's also a door there.
yeah. Loads of doors. Doors for days.
Well, let's go and outro this bitch.
Yeah. Right, that'd be good.
See you later.
Bad habits lead to you. No, there's nothing over here.
Okay guys, that is it for another Explore. Thanks very much for tuning in and we hope you enjoyed it. If you did, then make sure you hit that like button and consider subscribing down below. We also have Forgotten Spaces merchandise and there'll be a link in the description where you can get some of that. Until next time guys, thanks very much and peace.